This is the battery. You press this button right here and it'll illuminate. If it's got a full charge, you'll have those 3 green lights. We're going to go ahead and adjust the level. As you can see, it's as simple as that. That's the high setting, and now we'll go back to the low setting. And next we'll go ahead and take the battery out. Let me go ahead and get down here. You push that lever down, the battery pops out, you pull it out, and then we'll just go ahead and put it back in. No, you just push it in. You just push it in.